Good morning to all. Next, I present my activity. Mail. Good morning, Mr. Oscar Saldaña. Next month, we are going to remove the finisher of our company, but before making an application, we must take in account the following. The delivery will be in different headquarters of the company. The merchandise will be received in the morning and not the exact day indicated. We are going to pay the deferred merchandise for 3 months. The company will have qualified personnel to review the merchandise. The guarantee of the brands will be required at the time of delivery. Finally, we need to know the following information. How much is the delivery time after receiving the purchase order? How much does it cost to send the merchandise? How many days does it take to make a guarantee effective? How much the shipping to another city costs? How many trucks are available to carry the merchandise? Sincerely, Patricia Vargas. Now we continue with the purchase order. It is part go the purchase data my company. Got it is part go the provider data in this case Muebles Millennium. Here the description of products. For example, ergonomic chairs by Rodashin. 5 chair. Desk with filing cabinet. Simple desks. Metal archives of 3 drawers. Metal archive of 4 drawers. Tandem of 3 position. Table for meeting. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.